Wireless CarPlay for Mercedes-Benz, S-Class, W222, W21 2014 to 2018, E-Class 2014. With Android Auto Mirror Link AirPlay CarPlay. Ztuzauto Wireless CarPlay for Mercedes functions. Wired Wireless CarPlay. Wired Wireless Android Auto. Screen mirroring function Apple Android. USB multimedia playback supports lossless audio, 720p video, and picture playback support. Original car's rear viewing camera. After-sale rear viewing camera CVBS PAL 720p front viewing camera can be set up, or DVR. Support to expand and after-sale 360 panorama. Support audio EQ adjustment and amp. Navigation volume button adjustment separately. Support the original car mic, reserved installation mic, and support the automatic dot correction function of calling for the calling cord. Support the original Bluetooth call function. Support ON function, which can expand digital TV. Support wired Baidu CarLife, HDMI in. This amazing kit adds full CarPlay functionality to your existing NTG 5.05.1 system, while retaining all the original NTG 5.05.1 features. The CarPlay system supports button and steering wheel control, and is integrated with the console or glovebox USB. Whether your NTG 5.05.1 system is factory equipped with navigation, phone module or Bluetooth, whether it's Apple Maps, Spotify, making receiving calls or using Siri to reply to text, the system fully supports Apple systems and phone features.